already put in my contacts. I used the 3Con Lime Gold from Olens that I got from Pink Icon. And then for primer, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony and the Nature Republic Brow Pencil. With my Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral, I'm just putting that all over my eyelids to prime them and also clean up my brows a bit.
Shit is wild, 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 wild.
The first product that I'm using is the Incredible Show Glow Iridescent Jelly, and with an eyeshadow brush from ColourPop, I'm putting it all over my lid in the shape of a rectangle. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I put a reference picture on the side. After that, I'm using a ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Fluffy, and with my fingers I'm just patting that on the center of my eyelid.
Shit is wild, 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 wild.
With this reddish brown eyeliner from Misha, I'm just putting that on my lower lash line and then curling my lashes. I put on falsies off camera, and these were like the Pony Effect Just a Rumor lashes, I think. But I ended up taking them off anyway because they kept on falling off. For my foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in Vanilla, and I'm just blending that with a beauty blender.
Shit is wild, 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 wild.
I used a lower lash mascara. It's the Etude House Curl Fix mascara in brown, but I did not get very good footage of it. I did some blush contouring with my By Beauty Multi-Stick in Honey Wheat, and I put a little bit of the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula on top of that.
Shit is wild, 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 wild.
With one of these new ColourPop Strobe Glow loose powders in Luster Dust, I use this as my highlighter, and I just put that on my nose, my brow bone, a little bit on my forehead. I also highlighted my cheeks, which I never do. For my lip makeup, I use Kylie's Expose Liquid Lipstick. In the middle, it's just a peachy nude color.
Shit is wild, 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 wild.
And then I use the incredible In a Dream World Iridescent Sheer Gloss in Stay Mad and Magical. I put that in the center of my lips. So this is the finished look. I ended up taking off my falsies and just putting on mascara because my falsies just kept on falling off, so I didn't want to put them back on. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!